And we have this drink. It's Pepsi mixed with Mountain Dew like this. And we got the fries. Yeah, the KFC fries. Why we get over here? Oh, why we
That's not about to change.
Oh, you ain't putting it on that on Thursday.
I made changes for you. You got to eat.
Put them in the freezer, let them cool off.
Bubba. Don't let them. But we got barbecue. Put out the rain. No, put dang.
I can hardly believe that, Lydia. I mean, Bill. He's the ogre, not me.
I think, Carol, you're taking this a little too personal. This is Fiona's choice.
Yes, she was supposed to choose the prince. We picked out for her. I mean, you expect me to give my blessings to this thing?
Fiona does. And she'll never forgive you if you don't.
But one day back when
Want to lose our daughter again, Carol. Oh, you act as if love is totally unpredictable. Don't you remember when we were young?
No, I said I
We used to walk around in the pond and
No,
blue
it's
and
It's not the same.
That's
Our daughter was married a monster.
Oh, stop being such a drama king.
Oh, that's
There's nothing wrong. Marty. Oh, wonderful. I cannot get any worse. Nothing, Jonas. The old playing up a bit.
Just put it in there.
Stretch it out here for a while.
You're going to get in.
Anyway, just
Just off to bed.
anyway, that night, as you ate that beer, welcome back to that video.
So, what's new?
You remember my son, Prince Charming?
Charming. Oh, is that you? My gosh, it's been years. When did you get back? Oh, about 5 minutes ago, actually. After I endured blistering winds, scorching desert, I climbed to the highest room in the tallest tower.
Money can handle this. He endures blistering winds and scorching desert. He climbs to the highest bloody room at the tallest bloody tower. But what does he find? Some confused wolf telling him that his princess is already married.
My fault. You
You force me to do something I really don't want to do.
Well, hi there. Welcome to Friar's Fat Boy. May I take your order?
My diet is ruined. I hope you're happy.
No, I'm doing your hair.
Okay. 2 Renaissance wraps,
Kiss her.
no
Wanna give a
mayo,
kiss?
chili
I'll
rings.
have the medieval meal.
Yeah,
No,
one
you-
medieval meal. And
Wanna do your hair
curly
now, no?
fries. No, sourdough soft taco bun. What do you
No,
want?
really, I'm fine.
Your
Stop
order,
being
sir,
mean.
now, mother?
I see you. Stop being
Yes,
mean.
comes with medieval meat.
Hey, my dear.
No, I'm doing your hair.
You see, we made a deal, Harold. And I assume you don't want me to go back on my part.
Wait, because you're not doing
So
that.
Fiona and Charming will be together.
Yes.
Oh, believe me, Harold.
Marianne, come on, you won't do that.
Not only for your daughter,
Why are you looking at me?
but for your kingdom.
Oh, stop. Why not just
What am I supposed to do about it?
Anyway,
Use your imagination.
we just started that night. We done got one there for you. Okay. Bit. Baba, you know we're here something.
What, thinking about her?
The favorite company, name your birthday. What? The favorite company cooking our birthday.
Come on in.
Yeah, I'm a turtle.
I ain't take lunch yesterday. She made me take 2 hours.
That's easy. That let me not take you. Let's eat dirty time.
Do I know you?
Not
Yeah,
dirty.
you must be mistaking me for someone. Excuse me.
Not dirty.
I'm looking for the ugly stepsister. Ah, there you are.
Anyway, when
You see, I need to have someone.
the video,
Who's the
that
guy?
he died over.
Per se.
But we didn't died over. Because
Hey, buddy, let me clue you in. There's only one fella who can handle a job like that, and frankly, he don't like to be disturbed.
Where could I find him?
Everyone like a girl.
Who dares?
Acting like you're
I'm
there.
sorry. I hope I'm not interrupting, but I'm told you're the one to talk to about an ogre problem. You're told correct. But for these, I charge a great deal of money. Would this be enough? You
He broke them now.
valuable services. Your Majesty.
I know.
Just tell me where I can find this ogre.
That was his kid.
Metal can drink it. I let him drink it.
Anyway, guys, it's that night. I know you really the I'm predicted in the picture tonight. You'll be down on YouTube.
Let's see what that down.
And that big, got it. Oh, they're fine. There. I can do it. Which one? If where is that? I know they're not. Oh.
Dear Knight, I pray that you take this favor as a token of my gratitude.
Go.
Dear
Yeah.
Diane, Sleeping Beauty is having a slumber party tomorrow, but Dad says I can't go. He never lets me out after sunset. Dad says I'm going away for a while. Must be like some finishing school or something. Mom says that when I
Oh,
go,
really, man?
my handsome Prince Charming will rescue me from my tower and bring me back to my family.
Guys,
And we'll all live happily ever after.
stop. Not button.
Mrs. Fiona.
And my
Mrs. Fiona
birthday.
Mrs. Fiona.
I don't know. Maybe with that. Oh yeah, SpongeBob and that one. I know.
It's a person playing him. They're not playing him, but they're like, they're talking as SpongeBob. Everybody old that talk as SpongeBob. They're talking to all of them. SpongeBob, Captain, Hot,
The number one movie in America is Space Jam: A New Legacy.
They old.
Space Jam, rated PG.
even see the piano
My name is
bound.
Megan. My husband and I
And
both
back
work
to
full-time
the
in a big
on
job,
the
and
on
while
the
we try our very
different
best to give 110%
on the
to
different
our
bound.
children's learning, the
Running
reality is that's
like
just not feasible.
like
In
on
those moments where we
the out
can't, ABC Mouse has
man.
been
Oh
the best
no,
solution.
no, he's the animal bound right
We
there.
first heard about
He
ABC
had him
Mouse
on the
from the
other
boys'
side.
pre-K teacher, and they fell in
Different.
love.
He
When
had
they're
the
on
problem
ABC Mouse, it is
one for
active, engaged learning, sight words, word recognition,
Where
addition,
I like bring
subtraction. We
that
see that
basket.
passion for learning skyrocket.
The
Now, with them back in school, we're seeing them
doing that thing?
and the teacher mentioned how noticeable it was. They're applying ABC Mouse to the real world around them. It's in those little moments that you don't realize. It's when you're driving and they see a word on a sign and they can read it to you. ABC Mouse makes all the difference.
This August, the Paw Patrol team will be unleashed.
You want the water back in here?
Baba, look at the end. Then
That's a Paw Patrol movie.
the band new.
That's when they were puppies. But now they big dogs.
And Liberty.
They
Paw Patrol remake each year.
They come on August 1st.
That is right around you down. But it's not that young. Not a new thing.
Now watch.
Right as you a kid.
Baby, I'm not washing. I dropped a few of the damn grits, so I wiped them up with rag. I shook the rag out there.
Lego City. What will you do?
Hey,
Consult separately.
you're great, man.
Going online.
What am I doing?
Seafood.
Coming in here been worse, that's what.
That's what you'll find at Harris Teeter.
I wanted to
Committed
be
to supporting our
I ain't
local
said
fishermen
nothing.
and their
like you
families.
don't know not to drink water in the sink when you got
I moved the chicken out the way.
The video will go out
Right now,
back
we're
at
featuring
that night.
for all of your summer
I
recipes.
am, that's my son.
You
That's
can
why
shop
he's
in our
back
stores
Well, I
or
got a lot
order
more sense
online.
than both of y'all.
You'll find
Well,
the
the
best
reason he
local
like
and
you,
regional seafood for your
That's
table.
Doc Wiz' little brother, and that's my
Our
son.
neighborhood food market.
Anyway,
Anyway,
That's right.
but
and it's that bill.
ah,
It's that
yeah, that's what you say, huh? You heard Doc Wiz anyway. That's what you say, huh? Okay, buddy.
Anyway, I want you.
All righty.
Go
Doc
do
Wiz,
it.
you heard it.
The black girl.
Anyways,
We ain't got much long. No, but
That's not big enough.
don't have that long. Quit doing that. Don't do that, cause before your daddy came in here, you was not doing that. You acting like you had something.
That's the end of this video.
I don't
That's the end of
ask
this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell.
you cut that out.
Turn on your post notifications on.
Wait,
Baba, not your
something.
Peace.